Do you have age spots on your hands, face, or neck that just won't fade away? No matter what cream you use? Don't worry, nature has a simple recipe for that, and it starts right in your kitchen. You'll need just 2 powerful ingredients. 1 raw potato and a small piece of fresh ginger. Potato is rich in vitamin C and catecholase enzyme, which helps reduce melanin, that's the pigment behind age spots, and ginger. It's packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that boost blood circulation and help your skin renew itself faster now. Grab a fine grater and grate the potato. Then grate the ginger about the size of your thumb. Mix them together until you get a soft, moist paste. This is your natural anti-age spot mask. Gently apply the mixture on the areas with age spots. Massage it in circular motions. This helps activate blood flow and lets the natural enzymes do their work. Leave it on for about 20 minutes. Then rinse with warm water. You'll notice your skin feels fresher and calmer right away, and with regular use, age spots begin to fade naturally. No harsh chemicals. Just 2 humble ingredients with real skin benefits. If you believe nature heals beautifully, don't forget to like and subscribe for more natural remedies.